All right, area of a circle program. So you're going to start by going to Program and New, and we're going to name it. It only has 8 characters to name it. So we're going to do caps lock is on already automatically. So AREACIRC, and you can see the letters are in green in the upper right hand corner. So that's how I'm finding it. Now we're gonna enter. We want to do display. So I did program to get the programming tools. And then whatever we put in quotation marks is what's going to be displayed on the screen. So I'm going to hit alpha lock, and I'm going to do quotation marks, and then we're going to prompt for the radius. R-A-D-I, radius. The space is 0, is, and then put the quotation marks, and now we actually prompt. So that's under program, IO, number 2. And we're going to assign the variable that we're going to use. So we're going to prompt and we're going to assign whatever number is put into the variable R for radius. Then we actually want to do the math. So we're going to square what they give us as the value and store that. We're just randomly picking the letter P. And then I'm going to do more math. So I'm going to do pi times the letter P and store that to the letter T. And now we give the answer. So program display. Again, I have to do the quotation. So we're going to say area in pi. Oops, that's supposed to be in, not II. In pi is, and then we're going to display the letter P, and then prompt or. All right, so let me show you what it looks like when we run it. So you're going to do second quit to get out of that. To activate the program, we did program and hit, there's area of circle. You hit enter to select it and enter to run it. And then it asks us the radius is. So let's say the radius of the circle is 5. Oop. Display. Or. Okay, now let's try again. Program, area of a circle. Radius is 5. So area in pi is 25, so that'd be 25 pi, or, and there it is as a decimal.